Hey guys, so we're back on InvestNaija and this is my portfolio. Click on view portfolio. Today we are going to be doing something. I just got more information about Lafarge, which they've renamed themselves to HBM Nigeria PLC. I just got more report on them, and if you watch my videos, you know that I take time to go through these companies, and I like their report, right? They have zero debt, a lot of information about them that I've seen from the report: the revenue, gross profit, operating profit, profit after tax, everything is up. And I really like it. The EPS went from 8 naira per share to 12 naira, and I think that that's really good. It's okay. And because of that, I've decided to add to my Lafarge shares. I keep calling it Lafarge, but I know this thing now. The name is HBM Nigeria PLC. So I want to buy more of this stock, but I don't have money to buy more, right? So I want to fund my wallet, and I want to show you guys how to do that. So you click on fund wallet here. How much do I want to fund my wallet with? Let's say 505,000. Click on fund. Now you're going to get some payment options here. So in this case, I am going to select payment partners. Then the only partners you see here is Paystack. So it pulls up Paystack, and now I have to transfer to, I'm guessing, the bank account. So I'm going to click on pay with transfer, and these are the transfer details. So you have to transfer the money from your bank account to these account details. I'll do that now. What I will do now is just here, click on I've made the payment, and then you see payment successful. It says account top up was successful. Now I'm going to proceed to dashboard. If I expand this now, it should be able to show my new balance. I don't think it has shown it yet. Let's go to home page and refresh. So it doesn't show the new balance, and I think I know why. Usually when you come to wallet balance here, it should show it, but I think it takes a moment. So I'm going to go to portfolio, click on the stock I want to buy. So I want to buy more of this particular stock, and before we buy, what do? As usual, we check the order book. So I'll click on order book here and see what is the cheapest that people are bidding for, what is the cheapest that people are selling for at the moment. So I see a lot of people who are bidding to buy. People are queuing, millions of offer here. If you want to buy at market price, but you don't want to use market price, you find the cheapest in the order book. So the cheapest is somebody selling for 335, 338, 340. You see all of this here. So I'm going to just go for this. That's because I want to buy it now. If you don't want to buy it immediately, you're not looking to buy it immediately, you can wait. You can set a lower bid like the rest of these guys on the buy side and do that. But there are people even queuing to buy way cheaper and all of that, and this is very interesting, by the way. But again, if you're somebody who is willing to hold this company for years, you can just go ahead and buy it. If you already see here, you would notice that in my portfolio I'm already up 76% on the stock anyway. So let's just buy more. Again, in the order book, the cheapest someone is selling for is 335. So let's do this 335 and see if the order will go through. So I'll click on buy more. Market price, nope, you do not buy Nigerian stocks at market price. So I'll do good till cancel.
It's 4 o'clock.
And then limit price 335 was what we saw. So it's once you set that, it's supposed to actually load the quantity. Let's see, is that 200 shares? I say 2,000 shares. I don't have that much. 1,500 shares. We're close. 1,300 shares. Let's do 1,400 shares. That'll be 477k. My buying power is supposed to show the new money I deposited, but for some reason it hasn't reflected, and that's sad. So let me click on review by order. So you see the fees here. I'm paying how much? I'm paying 469k for this 335, right? And the charges are 8,000 naira, 8k. I think it's ridiculous. You might check other platforms. If you use maybe Bamboo or Cardinal Stone and Co, you might, get a cheaper price. You can do that, but for the sake of this video and the fact that I want to show you guys, I'm just going to pay this 8k as fees, and then click on confirm buy order. Now this is the part where, okay, the order placed. Actually, I thought it was going to say no. So the order has been booked because I'm buying at limit price, so it gets booked, and then in the coming minutes we'll get notification about it if the order was successful or not. But yeah, I just pretty much topped up my shares for this particular stock. You don't have to do it my way, by the way. You can, again, buy cheaper, and when the price pulls back, your transaction is going to execute. But I'm just trying to buy at market price now because again, I'm looking to buy and hold this stock long term. So that's pretty much it on that. Again, it hasn't executed, it just booked, and I think it's going to execute eventually. If not today, maybe tomorrow. We pretty much have all week, and if I want to cancel the transaction, again, I can come down here where it says trade orders, and I can cancel it, and withdraw my money if I change my mind. But don't worry, I'm not changing my mind. So that's it. If you have questions, as usual, let me know in the comment box. I think the money I transferred hasn't reflected because it's supposed to show here in my buying power or something, but it hasn't shown, or maybe the money has been taken, here. But yeah, we'll see. I think the transaction is going to pull through. If it doesn't pull through, I'll let you guys know in the comments. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you on the next one.